Hi everyone and welcome to Triple M Adventures with Bill. I'm reviewing the SnoMaster portable pressure washer, which is the one sitting here. I've done some video of me using it, which I will show at the end of this video. I did come across one problem, but you will see how I dealt with that. The pressure washer comes with a 17-litre water container, which just twists off the base. It's quite firm to get off. Okay, as you can see, I struggled a bit to get that off. It's a bit firm to get off, but this is the pump unit, and you have your water outlet here. There is a place at the back where the charging unit is. It fits in there, and that's where you can plug the pump in so you can charge the internal battery. That's on that side. So it's all quite neatly kept in one unit. And on this side you've got another hatch which you take off, and in there is your cigarette lighter adapter so that you can plug it into your car and run it directly off the car battery. Okay. On this side you have the charging socket, which you use the charger for, and you've just got the on-off switch, which I've just turned on, so we can turn that back off again. If you hold this for the button for more than 5 seconds, it locks the pressure washer, and I assume that's to stop it accidentally turning on. So it will not turn on again unless you plug the external charging unit in to charge it, and then it resets the pressure washer. The container itself takes 17 litres of water, which when I wash my bicycles, you can easily wash your bicycle nicely with that amount of water. The hose stores very neatly in the back, which is quite a nice touch. And let me lock it back on again. And there are seals in the bottom, so it automatically seals on. Close it on, and there it is. It's a nice self-contained unit. The accessories that come with the pressure washer is the actual nozzle, which I'll show close-ups of this. So you've got a handle and the trigger, and then you can adjust the type of spray you're getting, whether it's a jet or a mist. Interestingly, it comes with a shower head, which is going to become useful for me so when I go camping, because sometimes we go and do some non-campsite camping, so it'd be useful to have this to use as a shower. I haven't tested that yet. It comes with a strap that you can strap on to the side to carry it, and a wash brush, which I didn't use when I washed my bicycles, as you'll see in the video that's coming up. I used a normal bucket bucket and sponge to wash the bicycle. It comes with a spare nozzle and spare rubber O-rings for the seals at the bottom of the water container. It's a very nice system. I'm going to give it 8 out of 10, and the reason I've dropped it 2 stars is because you'll see in the video that's coming up where I explain it wouldn't start. When I put water in it and tried to use it for the first time to clean my bicycle, the water would not come out, and I explain later what happened. So out of the box it didn't work, but I sorted it out and it now does work nicely. And the second one, because I don't think the claimed pressures, which on the manual it says 43.5 to 130 bars, I don't think that's quite correct. But it is adequate to wash your bicycle. I think washing a big car with it might be a bit tedious, but it does do what I want it for and what I'm reviewing it for bicycles. Okay, let's go outside and clean some bicycles. Let's pause the video here. The pressure washer was not pumping the water, the motor was running. I checked the manual. It states, you may need to purge air from the system by running the washer for 30 seconds. Did just that and nothing happened. I tried to run the washer with no pipe connected, just operating the one-way valve at the bottom of the water container. Still no joy. I was about to start the process of returning the washer when I went through the manual again. I got a clue to what was happening when the manual stated, the machine will be locked when long press the switch over 5 seconds. I did this and it would not turn on. Check the manual again and it states simply recharge the battery to activate it. I wondered if this would reset it. It did. The washer worked 100%. I think it may have needed resetting because it was the first time it was used. Strange because I did charge it overnight before using. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments to make, please leave them in the comment section below. I really would like to hear from you about how I'm doing the reviews and whether you think I can improve them in any way. Thanks for watching. Happy cycling. Bye for now.